Jared here, back with another drum lesson. Today I'm going to teach you how to play 5 awesome linear drum fills. If you'd like to download the sheet music that you're going to see in this video, just click the link in the description of this video. So first off, what are linear drum fills? What even is linear drumming, Jared? Well, let me tell you, traditionally, when you talk about drumming and drum set playing and fills, you're going to have a lot of overlapping notes, such as this. Where you have multiple voices of the drum set sounding simultaneously. Linear drumming refers to whenever you have like single hits or individual instruments of the drum set sounding and not overlapping hits. So for example, a really simple linear pattern is like right, left, kick. And we're going to be using phrases like that in this drum lesson. The reason you might want to learn how to play linear patterns and incorporate that into your drumming is you get some increased clarity if you want, because you don't have overlapping sounds, so you can make your drumming very clear, you can make it very precise, you can make it very powerful, okay? When you're only doing 1 or 2 hits at a time with each limb, it allows you to put a bit more focus on that and a bit more power if you want. You can also usually execute these patterns regardless of the drum setup or tuning. So if you're on a drum kit that's not yours, or you're on a kit that doesn't have a lot of rebound, linear patterns are a great way to still get your ideas across and to play them clearly and powerfully. They also lend themselves to higher speeds, okay? So those are some of the benefits of linear drumming, and in this lesson I'm going to teach you 5 linear drum fills. If you'd like to actually learn how to play a bunch of linear patterns, at the time of filming this video, it is January 13th, my linear drum course is on sale through the end of this month. So you can check that out in the link the description for just, it's less than $20. You get lifetime access to my 6-part video course, and I'll tell you a little bit about that at the end of the video. So let's dive into these 5 drum fills. So drum fill number 1 goes like this. All right, so the pattern starts with a single right hand hit, right, kick, right, left. Those are the first 4 notes. Right, kick, right, left, and that's actually the hardest part of the drum fill in my opinion, because you have a single right hand immediately followed by a kick. So that's the first 4 notes of drum fill number 1. Right, kick, right, left. Then we move immediately up to the hi-hats. Right, left, kick. And then from here, you should recognize basically the kick, right, left phrase is going to happen multiple times in a row. Kick, right, left. And then we're going to, at the very end of the drum fill, flip it around and play kick, left, right, kick, crash. So this whole drum fill played really slowly. It sounds like this. 3E and 4E and right, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, left, right, kick, crash. A little slower. Ready, go. Right, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, left, right, kick, crash. And that ending phrase is really key. Right, left, kick, crash. Okay, so let's play this drum fill a few times together, nice and slow. All right, grab your sticks and try to play it with me. Here we go. 3E end of drum fill 1. Here it is again. Right, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, left, right, kick, Here's a little faster. 3E end of 4. All right, that's drum fill number 1. Moving on to drum fill number 2, we have a really interesting phrase to open up this fill. It's right, kick, kick, right. That is the hardest part of this pattern. It lands into a left hand on the snare. That's sort of the opening sound of drum fill number 2. So it goes right, kick, kick, right, left, left, kick, right, left. And notice that middle phrase. That is the same movement that we played in drum fill number 1. So just keep that in mind. So drum fill number 2, really slow with counting. 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1 2 again. Number 2, right, kick, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left. Boom. This fill sounds awesome because we hit the snare drum on the backbeat still. Getting ahead of myself, let's play this really slowly together. Grab your sticks, try playing it with me. 3 E and a 4, 1 E and a 2 E and a 3 E and a 4 E and a 1. Okay, a little faster, 2 E and a 3, number 2. All right, moving on to drum fill 3. We're going to start on the hi-hat this time. So our opening phrase is right, left, kick, right, left. And then in the middle, we're going to go kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, boom. So it's almost the exact same phrasing as the previous fill. It's got a very similar sound. We've still got the snare on the backbeat in the middle at the same exact place. And 3E, we're going on the snare. We're traveling up to a higher instrument than the previous fill. We went from the snare to the hi-hat. In this fill, number 3, we're going from the snare to the high tom. So here's drum fill 3, really slow, sounds like this. Okay, again, here it is. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, crash, right? Let's play it nice and slow together. Drum fill number 3, 2 E and a 3 E and a 4. Right here it is a little faster. Drum fill number 3, 3 E and a 4. All right, moving on to drum fill number 4. It's going to start with 4 single strokes, right, left, traveling from the snare drum to the 4 tom. Right, left, kick, kick. And then we're doing this cool ascending tom melody, right, middle tom, high tom, snare. That's the, halfway through the fill, we land the snare on beat 3, kind of a cool halftime feel. Then we go kick, right, left, kick, crash. Just like the opening drum fill, number 1, with that right, left, right, kick as the final linear phrase. So drum fill number 4, nice and slow. Right, left, kick, right, kick, right, kick, crash. 2, play it with me. 2, ready again. A little faster, 2 and a 3, number 4. Okay, last drum fill for this lesson, number 5. This drum fill is actually the easiest, in my opinion, of all 5 drum fills, but it still sounds really cool. It's the easiest because you're just playing one linear phrase 4 times in a row, right, left, kick. You're playing right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, and then you're finishing with 4 single strokes, right, left, crash. So it's like 1 and a 2 and a 3 and a shot, boom, boom. And the way we're going to orchestrate those notes across the drum set, orchestrate means which surface, which instrument on the drum set are you playing on which note, is going to be like this. High tom, hi-hat, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, and then we're going to go with the snare. So it's like your right hand stays on the high tom twice. Then we're going to repeat that same sequence with the middle tom. So it's going to go right hand on the middle tom, left hand on the hi-hat, kick, right hand on the middle tom, left hand on the snare, kick. See how it's the same sequence, we're just moving to a different tom after 2 times through the pattern with the right hand. And then we're finishing with the classic right, left, which I tell all my students is the best beginner drum fill ever. If you gotta learn one drum fill and you're new to drums, just practice that. Sounds amazing, and we're using that as the finisher for this linear drum fill, number 5. So number 5 all together goes like this. Right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, kick, right, left, crash. Let's play it together nice and slow. A little faster, 2 and a 3 and a 4. Okay, now what we're going to do is practice each drum fill with the song that I was playing at the opening of this lesson. So let's jump in here. We're going to just kind of do one drum fill at a time. We'll play through this chorus each time with the different fills. So let's do drum fill number 1 with this track. We'll play every 4 bars. So grab your sticks, try to play this with me. Here we go, linear drum fill number 1. Drum fill. Alright, let's go back and do drum fill number 2 now. Drum fill. drum fill number 3 next. Okay, now drum fill 4. You guys are doing great. This is how you want to practice. I know this might be fast. It depends, if you're more beginner or advanced, this tempo might feel fast, but this is how you need to practice drum fills like this, is just pick one and just drill it over and over. So here's drum fill 4. Here we go, same thing. Let's hit this chorus together. One more, drum fill number 5. Let's get it. Woo! Yes. Okay. Thank you guys so much for tuning into this lesson. If you watched all the way to the end, thank you. Remember, you can download the transcription for these 5 fills in the description of this video. And I also want to tell you about my linear drum course. It's on sale through the end of this month through January 31st, 2025. So this is a complete 6-part video course that I created on linear patterns. So there are 6 video lessons. The first 5 are each teaching you one linear pattern, and then the 6th video is an assessment. So it's over 3 hours of video instruction. There are 18 warm-up exercises. There are 56 linear groove and fill patterns, 56 total. 5 weekly assessment or weekly challenges, and 1 end of the course assessment. So it's 18 pages of drum transcriptions. There are 76 interactive practice links, and as a bonus, when you sign up for this, I'm including the recording of my Instagram masterclass, which is teaching you how to play my top 5 reels from Instagram. It's a 45-minute class that's valued at $20 in and of itself. That comes with its own PDF. It's a 4K video recording, all of that. So you get lifetime access to all of this when you sign up for just a one-time fee of $19.95. So click the link in this video if you're watching it in January 2025. So don't miss out because the deal expires at the end of this month. All right. Thank you guys so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.